Hidden base stations. 75 and Charlie Brown, truck in the bluegrass, getting on down.
Hey, truck, don't forget.
I heard that I did, truck. Hey, truck, I heard that I did, truck. I ain't on no big old beam, truck. Hey, truck. Hey, truck, I'm on a ground plane, truck. A $70 ground plane, truck in the grass. Charlie Brown says I got the hammer down on 200 watts of BM technology. I'm back out.
Boy, it was real close there.
Hello out there, Charlie. Charlie Brown, tell old truck 701 say hello.
Hey,
Charlie Brown,
truck in the bluegrass said it got down.
CJ,
Hey, Roger on that truck. Well, I got this hammer down on 0701 in the Mobile around North Carolina. Said to tell you hello, mellow jello, and I'm keeping that 5 alive, truck. Hey, truck, I'm on a ground plane working 200 bird in the Kakalaki, truck in the grass. Charlie Brown said your barefooted radio's working over here, and I'm back out.
Another live gate, so you and 75 can hear y'all fighting it out. I got a live gate rolling, truck in the bluegrass. Let's go, break.
Bye-bye, I'll be on.
Hey, Roger on that right there, truck. Well, I ain't got no set of beams, man. And I'm working 200 bird of BM Technologies. Little 2-pill hammer. Hello, truck in the grass. Charlie Brown says, I ain't on no beam. I'm on a ground plane, a $70 ground plane. Truck, Charlie Brown, back out.
Hey, Charlie Brown, come on down here, 360 Livewire, Smoky Hill, Charlie Brown, I'm waving, break.
Charlie Brown, then Worldwide 75. Man, y'all are fighting it out.
Charlie Brown, CJ69.
Hey, Roger on that truck. Hello, CJ69. Hello, 360 Livewire. Ain't no doubt about it, you boys sounding good up in here. While I'm trying to key with 75 going to truck on a ground plane and that boy on a big old set of beams. Hey, CJ69, 360 Livewire and truck in the grass. Charlie Brown on a $70 ground plane. Back out.
Hey, Charlie Brown, I thought he was a little few more bees in a pond over here around these Smoky Hills. Charlie Brown, Livewire, 360 Smoky Hill, getting on down, break. Barbecue base. JD around Missouri.
And I got it all, 360. I sure did, man. You coming in here on that cotton picking tuned up radio, and you sounding strong and tall in my receive. 360 Livewire in the 10. Charlie Brown on these Outer Banks, working a $70 ground plane and 200 bird. I'm back out.
445 radio, man. Don't know how I did. Got down.
I ride it out there. We gonna kick the bag in the big new chair. The mail, break. On 95 Virginia. Blowing smoke down here around Central Alabama. Hey, truck, I want to know if you can hear the 701 Mobile. Hey, truck, I want to know if you can hear the 701 Mobile in the Carolinas. Give me a time, truck. 701 Mobile in the Carolinas. Looking, bring. South Central Alabama said it, and he's standing by. When I'm oh, man, it just sounds like a bunch of noise out there. How about it out there in DX land? 688 out here in the Mardi Gras State looking for a long-distance radio check out here in the roof. Truck, I don't know if you came back to me or not, man. It's rough on my end, but anyway, I didn't want to try to get in here way in. I'm going to pull my bag and listen to that Charlie Brown talk show. Truck, 701 Mobile in the Carolinas just got down. Getting on down, break. Yeah, I hear you out there.